Hello and welcome to Little Antique Me. My name is Elizabeth and today I am here with an unboxing. Yay! It's actually my last unboxing with the CHC Vintage. If you have watched my last two videos, you'll know how much fun I have had with these, and I'm actually kind of sad that they're ending and, well, you know, might have to consider continuing them. But for today, I have to admit, the last couple times haven't opened my box until I am on screen with you. Unfortunately, my mailman left my box on the front porch and I didn't know, and it poured buckets of rain yesterday, so it was a little wet. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing now that I've already opened it, and just show you all the cute little things that are in there. All right, as always, Nicole sent me a beautiful little card. It says thank you. And in it, it always gives you a cute description of each item and how you might style it and pair it. And I already see a few of the things that I was able to quickly get out of the box and save in there. Everything is fine, it looks like. So, all right, welcome to May, or the end of May, or whenever you're watching this. We have a beautiful collection of pieces for you from the 1950s to the 1970s. So the one thing I didn't open is the scarf. It was actually in a plastic bag, so it worked out great. And so it's all nice and safe. And so we will open that together. So there is a little surprise, I suppose. All right, we have, ooh, it is a scarf. It is, our favorite is this rare Bicentennial Scarf. This would look great in your hair as a headband or tied around a ponytail. What? That's so exciting. How cool is that? It's a Bicentennial Scarf. Da-da-da. We'll go with my outfit today. Man, you guys are good. All right, so we have a Bicentennial Scarf. I shall probably put a video up here for you, as I always try to do, of me styling it. I have a pretty good idea on how I might want to put it in a little scarf turban. All right, next. We didn't have another cuff right now, but found this unique floral print bracelet with safety chain. So Nicole posted a picture on her page of Audrey Hepburn with this cute cuff, and I have been in search of a little cute bracelet cuff to go on my arm. I think they're so adorable. I don't know why, I just like their uniqueness, but she did find, oh, they're stuck together. Oh no. So here is the beautiful bracelet. It's got a pretty little floral print and the safety chain, which is always a must because I tend to pop my bracelets off more oftentimes than I'd like to admit. Let's see if I can clip it. Oh, that's really cool. That's really pretty. I like that. I'll try and get a closer view. All right, next. The brooches and earring set gave us a Mrs. Maisel vibe, and we are hoping that you love the bright summery colors. I am all about some bright summery colors, and they do kind of have a very, very Maisel vibe. They're cute flowers, and they're clip-ons in the brooch, so earrings in the brooch, and I think they are so much fun. So much so, I'm gonna pop one on right now, because, well, why not, right? Oh, so cute. Pop the other one on later. My hair's covering my ear. And let's see, yes, bright summery colors, very Maisel, and I am all about bright summery colors in the summer. You can't see it, but I have a bright red skirt on underneath my white blouse, and these will be perfect to go with all of that. Let's see, next we have, these pearls are really unique in that they have two strands of white wrapped around, oops, I got it twisted, wrapped with a beautiful strand of yellow. And I think that is so cool. I've never seen a two-tone colored one before, and I think that's a lot of fun. I have a feeling I'm going to style this with a dress I just got from another lovely lady, because it's yellow. So it'll be perfect together. I might even do it for this video. So that is my little unboxing, even though I unboxed it before, unfortunately. That's okay, bear with me. Also, we have a play the scratch card for a surprise discount for you and your audience, so you get a discount too. Yay! So in the card was this cute little scratch card, and why don't we scratch that together and see what our discount is. So let me find something to scratch it with.
How about a bobby pin?
I found a quarter. That'll work, right?
to watch.
Okay, you want to watch? All right, I'm going to scratch it down here and then I will show it to you. I love these scratchy things.
Remember when we did that from Scotland?
I remember. All right, so we have, if you put in Love CHC for 15% off your order, I will leave this below for you so you can add that to your next order. And I'm so excited because I know I'm going to use this on mine. And yes, thank you so much, Nicole and CHC Vintage, for allowing me to partner with you. This has been such an amazing partnership, and I love that I get to support you guys. And you've been so kind in giving me and sending me these beautiful items that I continue to wear over and over again, and will continue to wear over and over again. And again, I will put all of their links below, so if you want to sign up for a box or 3, you can do that on their websites. And also I will leave this beautiful code down below for you as well. And I'm so excited. I know this is kind of a short and sweet little video, but I hope wherever you are well and staying safely. And this is me saying goodbye to you. May God bless you and keep you this week. Remember, you are unique and special and one of a kind, and I will see you next time. Bye.